Mango's Report Maintenance module is ideal for you and your staff to easily report and record unplanned maintenance through a seamless workflow. You can do this online from anywhere, at any time, and in stages that you define. With Mango, there's no need for hard copies, as your employees report and record maintenance directly within Mango in a paperless process. Once reported, managers are instantly alerted that maintenance is required, and the appropriate registers are automatically updated. Following the initial recording, the maintenance is then assigned to an investigator to determine the appropriate corrective actions. These actions can include activities to resolve the maintenance, machine lockout, identifying the hazards associated with the work, and what protective equipment you need to use. With Mango, you'll get more people reporting maintenance, improve the visibility of your unplanned maintenance, and reduce paperwork.